Young Jamaican men, this is an undeniable fact. You are what you practice. Whatever you practice, inevitably that's where your outcome will come from. So regardless of whatever you might hear to the contrary, practice makes perfect. It doesn't matter what you practice, one thing is certain, your outcome will inevitably come from what you practice. Young Jamaican men, this is an undeniable truth. You are what you practice. Whatever you repeatedly do, whether good or bad, will shape your future. If you dedicate your time to sharpening a skill, building discipline, or expanding your knowledge, you will see progress in those areas. Likewise, if you spend your time engaging in destructive habits, those will define your path. For example, take the young musician in Kingston who practices dancehall lyrics every day. Refining his flow and delivery, over time he gains confidence, attracts attention, and eventually lands opportunities to perform. His dedication to his craft leads to success. On the other hand, consider the youth who idly spends his days on the corner, getting caught up in negative influences. If he practices dishonesty, recklessness, or violence, his life will reflect those choices, often leading to trouble with the law, or worse. Look at the young man who commits himself to farming in St. Elizabeth, learning the best techniques to grow and sell his crops. With consistent effort, he can build a thriving business, supporting himself and his family. Contrast that with someone who constantly procrastinates, putting off responsibilities. With time, he finds himself stuck, struggling to move forward because he has perfected the habit of inaction. The lesson is clear: practice makes permanent. Whether in academics, sports, business, or personal discipline, what you repeatedly do will shape who you become. So choose your habits wisely, because they determine your future.